it's now Thursday, and I just finished up at a job interview, and Daniel had a doctor's appointment, so we met up at Baltazar, which is one of my favorite restaurants, and we just ordered some eggs because it's only like 11:45, I think, still. And so we're just gonna sit out here and eat our food and shop around. We have Bridget, my best friend of Hard Style. She just came out with rollers with Luxie hair, and we have her launch party tonight at the Allure store. We're so excited for her. So we're gonna go to that and then head home afterwards. Maybe grab something. They're fixing the table. So we're just gonna shop around for the day. And then go to Bridget's events, and then I'm going to see Maddie there, and all my good friends are going to the launch party, so it's going to be really fun. Then we're going to head home, and tomorrow I'm just kind of like running some errands. I don't have much to do. I have some YouTube videos to edit and TikToks to make, so yeah, we're gonna enjoy our delicious Baltazar meal and people watch because we're outside. And this is me and Daniel's favorite meal or dish here at Baltazar. It's the goat cheese and an onion tart. It's so good. Little tapenade and salad. It's amazing. Great bread, great coffee, perfect little lunch spot. I got an omelet and a salad. Daniel got, what is this called? It's like eggs Benedict with salmon. The Norwegian, eggs Norwegian. Soap shoes. Egg. I'm looking for a bag for my birthday. Daniel's buying me one. We just stopped into YSL. Oh my god, I love this. Never mind. Oh my god, that's pretty. I'll show you guys the bag that I really want from YSL in a minute, but I think I'm banking on YSL right now. This is really pretty too, actually. This one was in the running until we saw the price. It is definitely a dream bag, for sure. It's, what is it, 3,200 for no leather, but still beautiful. How pretty this store is. We're in Prada now. It's like a skate ramp. It's crazy. This old cab. So cool. We're in a big candy store called Economy Candy in the East Side. Look how cool it is. Me and Daniel are going to the movies this weekend, so we want to get our movie theater snacks here. Oh my god, they have legit everything. Is this not insane?
Let me know if y'all have any questions.
Oh my god.
Is this marshmallow right here?
Yeah, that's our house marshmallow in a fruit caramel and white chocolate cookie.
Craziest thing I've ever heard. I love one.
All right.
Guys, it is Friday. I just made another Hailey Bieber smoothie, and this one actually turned out 10 times better. It's 3 o'clock, and this is literally the first thing I'm eating today because I do a lot of work for the job interview that I had, and I basically had to do like an edit test. So I was working on that all day and had to run a few errands this morning. I had to go to Costco. Super in a rush, didn't get to film anything, but I'm now like winding down, just made a smoothie. I'm gonna edit some TikToks. I'm gonna edit some YouTube videos, and then I'm going to probably run to Target. I've just been dying to go, and then me and Daniel are going to the movies tonight. We're seeing some movie called The Black Phone, some horror movie. I have no idea. I hate scary movies. He just got it last minute, and now I have to sit there and suffer. So, what else? Tomorrow's Saturday, and obviously I'm off. It's gonna be a beautiful, beautiful day. So I'm gonna tan outside all day and relax. I wanna show you a PR package I actually just got in the mail. Supergoop sent me some of their favorite products, and I'm so excited about this. I wanted to try the every single day lotion really badly. This is the Glow Screen Body, love. And then Daily Dose Vitamin C and SPF, and then the Glow Stick. I've been dying to try this. Put on like the highlighted areas. This is like a serum, which is really cool. Ooh, looks like that. I'm gonna put some on. Glowy. I'm waiting for my Rhode Skin to be here. Literally every day I'm dying for it. Hopefully it's today or not tomorrow. Tomorrow's, well, it could be tomorrow, but hoping very soon. I also have to shoot for Tan Lines bikinis. I was gonna do that today, but it's now a little bit too late. So I might have to do that tomorrow or next week. But just wanted to update you guys on my Friday. I haven't really been able to vlog much, but I might run to Target now. And I'll bring you guys along there, obviously, because it's my favorite place on the planet. And then, yeah. Really scary. Just me and Cass are at Target. She's in a bikini top. Yeah. But we're just getting a few things for the house that we need: hangers, storage bins, a new garbage can. We have to get some cleaning products that I'm out of. So we're just going through each aisle, and yeah. It is Saturday, and it is a pool day. Setting up my little area. I have my Hailey Bieber smoothie and some lemon water and my tanning products. This is the pool. It is currently at 90 degrees, and I think I have to, yeah, it's actually hot. I actually have to turn it down. It feels like bath water, but I'm gonna be just laying out all day and enjoying the weather, and just kind of chilling, getting my tan on, and listening to music. Look how pretty it looks. Making a quick lunch before I head out to a farmer's market. Just using up kind of everything that we have before it goes bad. So I have tomatoes, cucumber, avocado. I'm gonna put it in a bowl, maybe some lemon, olive oil, salt, pepper, and maybe some feta. And eat this for lunch. Maybe I'll have like a little piece of toast or something on the side, but I'm gonna finish making this and then go to the farmer's market. Hi guys, just got back in from tanning. I'm so red, but I feel like I got some good color. I'm gonna I was gonna go to the farmer's market, but it's not open until tomorrow on Sunday, so I might go tomorrow. But I needed some groceries for the house, so I'm gonna go grocery shopping again. I feel like I'm always going. We just go through food so fast here. But quick outfit details. Top is from Marshalls. It's the brand Aura. I'm obsessed with it. And this Chanel necklace is from Vivrel. I love it. I just exchanged it for this really cute Fendi bag though. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday, And Daniel is off from work today, so we are gonna have a fun little day. We are headed to a French market to get breakfast and coffee and stuff that we were really wanting to go to and try. And then we're gonna go to the farmer's market finally because it's open today. It is 92 degrees out. It's insane. So we're gonna lay by the pool after that all day. So we're gonna get all fresh produce from the farmer's market to make cowboy caviar and stuff for the week, and then just chill. It's supposed to be super, super hot all day, so definitely gonna go in the pool. My hair is getting so blonde from the sun, so I need a good purple shampoo because it's getting a little too yellow. But yeah, I'll bring you guys along the French market and the farmer's market.
It's like raindrops as they roll down the window, heavier as they fall.
We're gonna get a salad mix and some blueberries. We just got fresh blueberries and a salad mix, and Daniel got kombucha. We're just browsing around. Wow, mushrooms. We just got really good bread. Oh, the sourdough looks amazing too. Wow. Oh my god.
That's right.
Small. What else do we need? Ooh, ginger for your smoothies. I know. We need cucumber. Ooh. Any jalapenos?
Yeah, please.
What's what here? Should we get one of these? We need green. Ugh. These don't look that good. Yeah. Cleaning our farmer's market fruit. Blackberries, cherries, organic blueberries. Daniel is shucking some corn to roast to put in our cowboy caviar. I'm just gonna rinse all these off, and I'm gonna make some chia seed pudding to put the blueberries and blackberries in tomorrow. And I'm also going to cut up some pickles that we got. And look what just came in the mail. I'm freaking out. This is actually Daniel's order. Mine's coming on Friday, and he only got 2 of the Barrier Restore creams. He bought me one and him one, but I'm actually freaking out. Oh my god, I'm so excited.